Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore local SEO citations in Google Business Profile, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Google Business Profile page. Log in to your Google account associated with your business. Once logged in, locate your business listing on the home page. Click on your business name to enter your Google Business Profile. Review the current details of your listing carefully. Check for any inconsistencies in your business name, address, and phone number. Ensure that all information matches what is listed on your website and other online directories. If you notice any discrepancies, make the necessary edits in your profile. After making changes, look for the Info tab in the menu. Click on the Info tab to access your business details. Verify your business category is aligned with your services. Scroll to the Add Profile Short Names section if it's not already filled out. Create a short name for your business that's easy to remember. Next, ensure your operating hours are accurate and reflect your business schedule. Add any additional services or attributes that can enhance your listing. Now, look for the Photos section in your profile. Upload high-quality images that showcase your products or services. Visuals play a crucial role in attracting potential customers. Once you've updated your images, navigate to the Posts section. Consider adding regular updates or offers through the posts to engage your audience. Look for local citation opportunities within online directories. Find reputable directories that are relevant to your business niche. Ensure your business details match what you have on your Google Business Profile. Submit your listing to these directories, ensuring accuracy in every field. Check for online reviews on your profile and other platforms. Respond promptly and professionally to any reviews you receive. Engage with your customers to build trust and credibility. Monitor your Google Business Profile regularly for any changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.